A very good afternoon to one and all. So we have a very special story today to share with all the environmental science community who's supporting us. We have with us one of our student, JUHI Sinha. So JUHI has done her B.SC honors in botany from Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi University. Subsequently, she pursued her masters in environmental management at Guru Gobind Singh Inpress University. So she was attending our offline program at Delhi Center along with the live online program. So she was giving the exams and she qualified the NET-LS in the very first go, and the second result is still awaited, the June one, and she is expecting a good results out of that. Meanwhile, she was appearing for all the PhD entrances and interview. In that series, she qualified the entrance as well as the final stage of the interview at University School of Environmental Management, Guru Gobind Singh Inpress University, popularly known as IP University Dwarka. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate JUHI Sinha and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. In this achievement, she has been working very hard for the proposal and the interview along with our team once she got through the exam. So that was one of the key aspect that she keep on capitalizing after qualifying the exam. And on the basis of that, she got through the I. At present, Institute is offering various programs for NET-JRF environmental sciences, such as offline program at Delhi Center, live online program, correspondence with video, and only correspondence program along with the test series. Institute is also offering two programs for GATE 2025, which is Ecology, Evolution, and Environmental Science and Engineering. A special interview guidance and proposal writing program is also there. Institute is also offering the CUET PG program for life sciences for the people who are studying in first, second, third year of BSc degree in life sciences and other allied sciences. Institute also focus on specialized program for people who are willing to pursue masters or PhD from European country or US. For that also, the team is guiding the student in a comprehensive way. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers through our web page or Instagram page as early as possible, because the next exam is in December and the clock has started. The re-exam is also in the way. For that also, the institute is offering a crash course. So once again, we would like to congratulate JUHI Sinha for getting into the PhD program in environmental sciences at University School of Environmental Management. Thank you.